Wildlife photographers need more than just a wall to show their captures. It's at WeNaturalists. You can create and classify your captures as storybook. I found a meaningful way to share my daily experiences in the wild. I am able to take my audience on a virtual journey through my storybook. After 2 years, I decided to go back for another visit with my friend Dustin. I invited him to the same storybook album for his contribution. Just imagine what we found to our surprise. The couple was no longer alone. Dustin immediately related to my excitement, as he had gone through the storybook. We clicked some amazing images of the little ones, and Dustin added them to the storybook. We shared the storybook on our other profiles on different platforms. Our friends and others went through the story and started engaging with the story. All engagement got consolidated at one place on WeNaturalists. In this way, you can share your story on other social media sites as well. So being at WeNaturalists as a photographer has completely changed the way of collaborating and relating to the images. The journey has just begun.